Hello everyone, this is Sundaraman Iyer from All-in-One Hub, and today we are going to look into a platform known as Spotify, which provides you with all types of songs and also provides you with enriching contents which can upgrade your knowledge, and it can help you in your personal life as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here you can see my Spotify account. Here different types. Here I have been listening to podcasts and songs, and I have been using Spotify since past 6 months, 6 to 7 months, and I have been really been good with it. I really like it because different types of things are available at one single place. I don't need to search for different types of. I didn't need to search for different types of places or go to different types of things to search the new song has been released or anything else which I want has been released or not. Everything is available on one single platform. The downside to it is that it shows ads. Yeah, it really shows ads every time you pop up into your mobile phone and or your Google Chrome or your web player. It shows ads of 1 minute 12 seconds, and after that it is completely free for next 30 minutes, and after that again ad of 1 minute 12 seconds comes up. This ad is basically telling you that you should be upgrading yourself to Spotify Premium, which can help you to reduce ads or show no ads, and you can listen to your songs whenever you want. The only thing which you need for Spotify is that you should need a good internet connection, because it does not download songs. It has to be played online. It cannot be downloaded. It needs internet connection. Moving on from there, we can see that there are different types of genres available over here. If you are currently in India, there is Diwali mood, so everybody needs songs for Diwali. You can see different types of Diwali playlist has already been created, and I I personally see that there are different types of celebrations are also been created. Once you start listening to songs, Spotify suggests you with different types of uh, related songs as well. There are different types of songs for workout, for gym people who are motivated by songs, who need high beats. There are also beatful songs, such as you can focus on when you're studying or when you are outside, you need creativity time alone, so it is also available for you as well. For people who are from different say suppose you are from an anime background, so you watch a lot of anime, so every type of anime song has been covered. Most probably every type of song has been covered. You can visit and you can search it by yourself. The main attraction of Spotify is that you can listen to podcast. The greatest podcast of every time, you can be listening. Every podcast has been listed on Spotify. The first thing, when someone else or someone who creates a podcast, they release it on Spotify. No matter what they do, they release on Spotify, because it is the most used platform for Spotify, for podcast. I'm sorry, but you can use it over here. Podcast. We all know what podcast is. For those who are new to this, the podcast is basically an interview with great persons, and they provide you with their life experiences, what they did, such as Tony Robbins covers every podcast with greatest entrepreneurs, and he asks them what they did, what were the advices he would give you to your project and future growth. He also speaks about uh, he also gives you the personalized conditions for your personal as well as your business growth, because both personal and business growth is important, and there you need to keep a balance between it. Let's listen to this for this moment. Let's just tune into it, and you can understand that what I've been saying.
This episode is brought to you by RPM.
This is a waste of time,
Yeah.
And I kept losing sales to thinkers, and then finally.
She could easily say, well, I've done these pieces, I know what to do, but you continue to do it.
See, you can listen to every type of podcast over here, and it is completely free. It is completely free, and you are not being charged a single penny for it. And once you start using Spotify, the It gives you suggestion based on what you have been listening in every day for 1 week or 2 weeks. It there are my best technological podcast, technical podcast or technological podcast is Waveform podcast by MKBHD. This guy covers every podcast which I need to have for the current technology and trending technologies. This technological field of podcast is not great, is not very lengthy, yet it covers the major points which I need to understand. There are different people who would suggest different podcasts, but yeah, podcast is basically one single type of thing where interviews have been conducted with different types of people, and they share their understanding and their level of suggestion and what they do with us, and we can learn from it to grow our business and keep our personal life and professional life balanced. Spotify is also available for your mobile app. I listen to mobile as well as on web player, because every time you need both the devices. I personally use laptop version more because I tend to be on laptop a little bit more. So yeah, that's how it is for me. You can also create a playlist. You can also create a playlist for yourself, like you can see over here that I have this is basically a default playlist created by Spotify. When I like any song, it comes and sits over here. So anytime I feel, yeah, I need to listen to a song which I have been used, yeah, I can come here and just play it over here. And it also shows that when I added this song, say suppose, yeah, you can see this song that I added it on October 5th 2020. No player on internet shows this. And you can also, the the great feature about Spotify is that you can like an entire playlist. You know that. Say, yeah, see, suppose I haven't liked a single song from this playlist. Yeah, one or two maybe. However, I am not like not like 90% of the song, but I like the entire playlist. So every time I don't need to search for a different type of song and come over here and see that, yeah, I need to listen to this song. No, no. All you have to do is just like the entire playlist. It will be directly placed over here. See, you can see over here. And once you get into it, yeah, you can directly move in, directly see every song, and you just have to play the shuffle button, play it, and you can use the shuffle button. This shows that, see, I don't have to listen, I don't have to search for every type of song which I need to have. All I have to do is just go on, learn, like a platform, like a playlist, and it will be listed over here, over this side. And once it has been listed over here, I just have to click over here and I can see the entire playlist and just have to play it from wherever I want. So that's been it, guys. This review is totally for Spotify because I loved it. I have been using it for past 6 months. I learned a lot from it. I believe that you are going to be using it and you can learn it from as well. So that's it from our side. Hope you like our video, and do subscribe to allinoneup.com at our YouTube channel, and see you on the next side.